My name is Rajahmundry. I had completed my 10th class this year and I was joined to learn computer in AH career. I was joined first step. Till now I completed my fundamentals in this AH career. I learned about CPU but I want to present my ideas and what I learned before you, so that I just did this project. CPU. It is the main brain of the computer. It is present in the case. It's in the shape of small chip. It will process every program in the computer. And in this case, we have many parts like RAM, ROM, hard disk, etc. RAM, the normal data, what we search or what we did in the computer is stored in this RAM. It is random access memory. It will store for not permanent, but it will be stored randomly. And this ROM, it will store permanent data in this computer, what we as files, documents, etc. So I learned about it, and I am still learning MS Office in this AH career. I think I can progress more through this AH career. Thank you.